building 21200 Northeast 19th Avenue. That's located in Miami. Okay, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, around the 2,400 square feet, and the listing price is 1.2 million, negotiable. Let's take a look inside. Okay, they have a huge living area. This lot is a little bit smaller than, but they have space to put for sure a swimming pool. Okay, they have a renovated kitchen. It's not brand new renovation, but it's renovated. That's a lot of cabinets. According to the owner, this is laminated, but it's laminated waterproof. They did some renovation, but doesn't look brand new, like I said. Okay, they have the washer and dryer. And here, look like they convert this area, the garage area that was supposed to be around here, in one extra bedroom and the one extra bathroom and the one extra storage space. Those area usually is a garage, but I believe they convert legally. Okay, that have one bedroom here. We have that's no hurricane impact windows. That's the air conditioner. And here they have the second bedroom here. It's a big storage area. And they have the third bedroom here. They have this is the second bathrooms. They have some extra closets over there. These are the master suite. Here's the master shower. It's a good space. And they have the backyard. The master suite. They have the view from the